This is a 2024 Ford Transit. Now, obviously, we've done a Ghost III Immobiliser on this one. So we're going to show you how it works and operates. So with the vehicle, obviously, if we try to start the car, you will notice that you'll have no starting. So it will not start no matter what we're doing, turning it on or off. It will not start even though my foot is on the brake. If I switch the system off, for it to work, we must simply press the start button. We're going to wait a few seconds and we are then going to enter in our current passwords. The current password for this van at the moment, for demonstrations, we've moved it as an upwards motion on the steering wheel. So 4 times, you'll get your 2 flashes. You can now switch the vehicle off and restart the engine again, and it will allow the vehicle to start and work. Now, if for instance we wanted to change the password, we'll go through that step now. So you simply just press your power button to turn the vehicle on. You're going to wait up to 5 seconds. This now allows you to enter your password. So the current password for the vehicle. You're going to get your 2 flashes. On the accelerator pedal, you go all the way down to the floor, and we're going to do the same password again. We get our 2 flashes to confirm that the password is there. Now you can release your foot off the pedal and it will be ready for its new password. The buttons you have on these vehicles are left and right. On the top right hand side, we have up and down and also OK. We have set plus, set minus. We have the cruise control, the speed limiter, and we have also lane guidance and your cruise control tracking, so it can track the vehicles in front. So you have a wide range of buttons on this side and on this side as well. So for demonstration, we're going to change it to downwards, set minus. So I've entered in my password that I want. It's going to give me 3 flashes. We do that same password again. We're now going to get 2 flashes as confirmation. That is our new password now. So if we switch the vehicle off, now that is our new password. The old password doesn't exist. If I wanted to do service mode on this vehicle, I simply press the start button. We're going to enter our password for the vehicle after we have the notification that says full power accessory. This will give us our 2 flashes. We're going to switch the system off, start the van. So that way it is ready to operate. So you are going to drive your vehicle to wherever you may go. Once you're at that destination, on this van, it is your cruise control. So we're going to press it 5 times. This will now flash 5 times, as you can see. Now, if we switch the system off, that is in service mode. You hand the vehicle keys to whoever is doing the work. When you're coming to collect the vehicle, you must simply start the van. And we are going to wait a few seconds. And we're simply just going to enter the password. Once you've entered your password, you get 2 flashes. And that is now confirmed and it is back out of service mode. And that is how it works on a new 2024 Transit.